Are you trying to find the best air pistols for hunting? If yes, you have come to the right place. The below is a list of the top 5 best air pistols for hunting. Be sure to read my description if you want to learn more about the price and other details. Please subscribe and click the bell button for more update videos to the channel, and don't forget to like and comment. Consequently, let's begin the video pretty quickly. Number 1. The Umerx Beretta M9A3 is suitable for training, just like the SIG above. In contrast to the SIG, you may flick a switch to release a constant stream of BBs. The authorized imitation closely resembles the genuine article, but it also operates fully automatically and can fire 18 BBs downrange with a single stroke of the trigger, adding excitement to range days. Umerx employed a metal frame to replicate the original and give it a realistic weight and feel. Even the single or double action trigger and genuine safety work just as the M9A3 in real life. The kick cannot be compared, but the slide has a realistic blowback effect. You may practice reloads using a full-size, drop-free magazine that holds 18 BBs and a 12-gram CO2 cylinder. Number 2. Live fire firearms instruction is incomparable. However, given the present ammo shortage, some people are coming up with novel ideas to get their practice in. To simulate the weight and feel of the powder-burning variant, Sig Sauer fashioned the P365 air pistol after its 9mm predecessor. The polymer frame includes a metal slide with front and rear slide serrations that operates with full blowback, comparable to the 9mm. The 12-gram CO2 cartridge and 12 BBs are both stored in the replica's magazine, which makes loading equivalent to using the real thing. It even has the SIG accessory rail so you can practice with the same light or laser that you usually carry. A manual ambidextrous safety and green, high visibility 3-dot fixed sights complete the features. This one is primarily used for training purposes and paper punching because it only propels steel BBs at 295 FPS. As you replenish your ammunition supplies, develop muscle memory for drawing and firing the air-powered P365 air pistol. Number 3. The Benjamin Marauder, which is made in the USA, has long been a fan favorite among air rifle shooters and has a well-earned reputation for excellence. All of the outstanding qualities of the rifle are there in the pistol form, however it is smaller. The pre-charged pneumatic pistol has enough power to hunt small game, producing 15.5 feet-pounds of energy at 700 feet per second with a .22 caliber pellet. Therefore, you can carry bushytails for around 30 yards. Pellets are fed from the same 8-shot auto-indexing circular magazine as their larger relatives, enabling quick follow-up rounds by moving the rear-mounted bolt. In comparison to earlier variants, the Marauder pistol now has an adjustable, 2-stage drop-sear trigger that breaks more cleanly. A built-in pressure gauge alerts you when a refill is almost necessary. In order to provide greater support, the Marauder pistol also comes with a shoulder stock that can be connected by switching the grips. Number 4. The popularity of .22 rimfire contests has recently skyrocketed. This is probably owing to the low barrier to entrance, which is a characteristic shared with competitive airgun shooting. I can't help but wonder if airgun competitions will have a similar revival as a result of the ammo shortage. Olympic-level 10-meter air pistol competitions will likely need you to spend several $1,000s. But with enough practice, you can win local competitions using a pistol that costs around $250. With a match-grade barrel, adjustable sights, and a trigger that can break with as little as 88 pounds of pressure, the Air Venturi V10 Match Air pistol has everything you need to win. For propulsion, the V10 uses a single-stroke pneumatic mechanism. Therefore, there is no need for filling apparatus or CO2 cartridges. The stippled walnut grip has a thumb rest on the left and a big palm shelf on the right that can be adjusted for a bespoke fit. Go punch some 10 rings after picking up a V10 and some premium pellets. Number 5. A semi-auto with the strength to kill small game. Hatsan Sortie Tact is a rarity among air pistols. This pre-charged pneumatic handgun uses the same technology as Hatsan's popular Barrage and Bullmaster semi-auto air rifles, but it is smaller and yet manages to push approximately 15 feet-pounds of energy in .22 caliber pellets traveling at 700 feet per second. A hand pump can easily fill the smaller 62cc reservoir. Despite the short barrel, a full-length shroud reduces report. The Sortie's side-folding, detachable stock, which appears more like it belongs on a personal defense weapon than an air cannon, is its most distinctive feature, though. Picatinny rail and 11mm and 22mm grooves for mounting scopes are cut into the receiver's top surface, or simply use the detachable and adjustable Truglo fiber optic sights that are already provided. Unfortunately, southpaws can't use the Sortie's grip angle, which is bad for lefties. To quickly empty the reservoir, the Sortie comes with a protective case and 3 magazines. That's all from my end. I make useful videos every day, so please subscribe to my channel. Check out my description if you need more information or want to know the price of the product. Please leave a comment if you have any problems. Stay up to date on our cool products because it will make your life much easier.